Welcome to the VG tutorials. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use the OCR analysis for text recognition in VGSTUDIO MAX. To perform an OCR analysis in VGSTUDIO MAX, you capture the text you want to have recognized by creating a region of interest, an ROI. There are two approaches to create the ROI: on the basis of a geometry element, or defining the ROI manually. In this video, I will show you how to create ROIs out of a geometry element. Have in mind that this approach requires the coordinate measurement module. If you don't have a license for this module, check out our other video on OCR analysis that shows you how to define the ROIs manually. And if you want to follow this video, you can download the example dataset from your download account. Okay then, let's get started. The sample I'll be working with is the VG cube that has volume graphics written in the bottom right corner. This is the text I would like to get recognized and added to the information in the object properties. The first thing I'm going to do is perform a surface determination. As a next step, I will locate the text in the 3D window. Then I will fit a plane to the cube that covers the text. To do so, I'll select the volume in the scene tree. Then I'll select Geometry and Plane. In the Fit Geometry Element dialog, I'll expand the Expert mode and select Single Point here. And I'll check that Auto Fit Points is activated. Now I'll zoom into the 3D window. And while holding down the Control key, I'll make a few clicks to create a plane that covers the text. Then I'll click Fit to create the plane. For the OCR analysis, I need a region of interest. Therefore, my next step will be to create a region of interest out of this plane. I'll select the plane in the scene tree. Then I'll go to the Select tab and I'll select ROI from Object and ROI from Geometry Element. I'll check that the ROI will be extended perpendicularly. And I'll check if I need to dilate the ROI. To do so, I'll zoom into the top one window, where I have a nice view of my ROI. The ROI should only be as thick as necessary, and it looks fine to me. So, I'll leave it as it is and click OK to create the ROI. And with my ROI created, I can now set up the OCR analysis. In the scene tree, I'll select the volume. Then I'll open the OCR analysis dialog via Analysis OCR. The first thing I need to do in this dialog is choose where I want the information to be saved. For this example, I'll choose the description field under Component Info. That's done, so let's get to the text recognition. In the Text region field here, I'll select the ROI I just created. Okay, it looks like my ROI is the wrong way around, and the text cannot be recognized. But I have some really nice options here that will help me get my text after all. As you can see, I can rotate, mirror, and invert the image. In my case, I need to mirror the image, so let's do that. And here it is. The text volume graphics has been successfully recognized. Now, if you have more text or very curved text, you can create several ROIs that you can then select in these fields here. The text will be joined, and there will be a preview of the overall resulting text. To show you how this works, let's select the same ROI in the other two fields. And let's add a prefix and separators and a postfix. And I'm done. Let's have a quick look at the result. In the scene tree, I'll double-click the volume to open the object properties. And look here. On the Component tab, I can find my information under Description. And that's it. You now have the text from the volume object that you can include in your report. Use as text overlay, or use to dynamically rename your volume objects. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll find a list of all our tutorials on our documentation landing page via Help, Show Tutorials. Plus, Make sure to register on Nexus and make it your go-to place for sharpening your expertise. Get access to this video and other information material to get the best out of our software. And visit the VG community to exchange ideas, ask questions, and discuss topics with other users and our Hexagon experts. And stay up to date on the latest news and developments. Register now, a world of insight awaits. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Nexus.